In this exercise, I'm going to make use of a GIS drawing. So what that means is my data source, I've just bring in a Bing satellite in the background, as well as a shapefile that I've imported into the drawing. Now the content of this drawing is normal. If I go to object properties, you will see those are polylines. But the enhancement I'm going to show you is applicable to any object. Now when you're doing the training, we teach you how to do selection from right to left. So if I select from right to left, it will select whatever is inside the vicinity of a rectangle box, as well as what it crosses. And if you select from left to right, it will only select where the start point and the end point is inside the vicinity of the selection box. And then there's also an option that says inside polygon, that if you want to be more specific about an area. But these are all existing commands I'm showing you. E for end. But the enhancement I want to show you is that you can now select by polyline. So first of all, you're going to start your selection, and if we read the command line, Caddie will ask you indicate opposite corner of rectangle, I for inside polygon that I just showed you, C for crossing polygon, or crossing P for polyline. So I'm going to press P for polyline, and the advantage of it is you can select multiple events, and I can go down and I can give it a step. E for end, select what I'm looking for, right click, and I can go to layering and display, and I'm going to ask Caddie display only selected objects, and I can then carry on working.